Hello, class. This is Dr. Lane, and I want to tell you how excited I am to have you in the course. This is going to be a terrific 7.5 weeks. Saying that, my main objective right now is to help you know how to succeed in my course. I want you to succeed. So, to get to that point, there are 3 things that I'd like to discuss right now in just a few minutes. First, course design. Second, the course aims. And third, my role in your learning. Okay, course design, course aims, and my role. First, let's look at the course design. This course is designed more like a mystery novel. You have several threads that are all headed someplace, but you may at first not know the connection. It'll only be near the end that suddenly you go, I get it. And they all converge, and that insight will flare into life, and you'll jump around, you'll hoop and holler and go, yes, I got it. So realize, just be patient with yourself. If you don't understand something right now, stick with it. I am committed to Daniel Pink's insights about autonomy, mastery, and purpose. We don't learn for a grade, we don't learn for money, we learn for those 3 things: autonomy, mastery, and purpose. Autonomy, I'm giving you a lot of license to go your way. Mastery, it's up to you. Not up to your neighbor, not up to your colleague, not up to me. It's up to you. If you want mastery, you'll get it. If not, you'll pass a class and you might learn a few things, but if you want mastery, this is the class to get it. Last of all, purpose. I've specifically given you the laser vision exercise so that you can know what your purpose is. Most students don't know. Believe me, I've asked over the last 20 years that I've taught here, pretty much, and people don't know. They know they want to graduate, but they don't know what's beyond that. And so I've tried to offer you something that's beyond a purpose. Also, regarding the course design, I've included learning and performance tasks. A lot of learning tasks that if you choose, you can get in and grapple with and learn. So that the performance tasks, which come later and at the end, you can soar. Okay, so if you have any questions about the course design, send me an email. Second, let's look at course aims. First of all, I want to strip away the craving for a professor's approval. You don't need mine. Second, shuck away the craving for a grade. Forget about the grade. Okay, don't let the destination rob you of the journey. Too many people do that. I was one. A little vulnerable here. Back in college, I sought the grade. I did whatever I could to get the grade. And because of that, when I got out, I didn't know how to apply it. Because I didn't go in with the mindset of what am I going to learn and how am I going to map it onto life? Instead it was, what can I learn? How can I pass the grade? And when I got out, I floundered. I was in jobs where I couldn't bridge what I'd learned into practical, tangible life. And I shot myself in the foot. I don't want that for you. I want you to be at a better state than I was. So please, strip away the need for my approval. Strip away the need for a grade. Give yourself to learning. Thirst and hunger for learning and application. Third, let's look at my role. As I see it, my role is not to be a teacher. It's to be a mentor. You probably know as well as I do, a mentor is invested. A mentor cares about you and will call it as they see it. They'll call you on the carpet. And that's how I operate. If you don't like it, get a different class. But I think you will like it. In this class, because we have so many learning tasks, I'm not going to give you BS. Okay, if your work sucks, I'm going to tell you. Some of you, I've been reading through your vision exercise and your reading reports. Some of you are absolutely stellar. You are not skimming the surface, you're diving deep and you're swimming around. That's fantastic. And my office mate's coming in, so excuse the noise. Some of you, quite frankly, you're BSing it. Like I can't tell. Like you're trying to say, oh yeah, I watched all these videos. I really got a lot out of it. Yeah, like crap you did. Some of you are doing teacher pleasing, gushing notes. I get it. If you want to live that way, that's your choice. You're still going to get points if you fill out the reading report. Okay, you just will, because that's a learning exercise that's for you. If you think it's for me, you're deluded. For those of you who dive in, you have my utmost praise. You're on a pedestal, and you're going to keep climbing, and I'm excited for you. Ultimately, my aim is to help you succeed. You don't succeed by just kowtowing to my whims, but to setting a high bar for yourself and reaching it. I'm here to help you with that, but ultimately you are the one to set the bar. Okay, if you have any questions, send me an email. I know I said that you could contact me on Facebook Messenger. Please don't. Instead, email me. That's a great way, and we will converse that way. Okay? You have a great week. Looking forward to the work you do. Let's make it a week worth remembering. Okay? And finally, I'll leave you this. What you do today can improve all your tomorrows. So make today worth doing. See ya.